If time freedom is the dream, and I believe that it is, how do we get to where we live a life of true abundance where all of our time is our own? The number one, fastest, easiest, safest, best way to do that I have found is through the proven systems of a franchise. So for 23 years, I have been helping people just like you either leave corporate America or hang on to that corporate job while building another income stream that they own and control by leveraging the proven systems of franchise businesses. So the franchise business allows you to buy down the learning curve of starting a business by partnering yourself with people who've already figured out how to make money. And this statistically buys you success because you're not out there in the wilderness chopping down trees, blazing trails. You're paying a franchise fee to get a proven business model, to get initial training and marketing support and technology and coaching along the way and all of the things that would help you gain confidence that if you've never owned a business before, or even if you have owned a business before, but you've never owned this business before, you could do it and do it successfully. Look, I've been helping people for 23 years. In fact, I've created nearly 1,000 small business owners here in the USA over the last 20 years. It's an amazing statistic and one that I'm very proud of. But there's not one person who ever came to me who said, "Oh yeah, my dream is to own a franchise." Nobody wants the franchise. What we want is what the franchise affords, which is time and money freedom. That's what you want, right? If right now you're trading your time for money inside a job, waking up every day, working for somebody else's dreams and goals, and you can only take vacation when they tell you you can take vacation, and you got a glass ceiling on how much you can make, and you're living under their politics and their rules and all the things, your spirit is screaming for freedom all over the place. Maybe you've, missed all of the sporting events or the recitals. Maybe you've had to travel. Maybe you've had to move your family for the next great job. And this is not freedom. This is you living according to what's best for somebody else. You know better than I know, because I don't know that life, how that feels to not feel free. But I know freedom. But freedom also has a price, Freedom isn't free. It comes with the responsibility and the accountability, which a lot of people say they want. But in the end, especially in franchising, there's a lot of ownership that sometimes goes on, but that's for another video. But you want time freedom, and so that's why you come to me to invest in a franchise. You're not looking for the franchise itself. You want what the franchise affords, which is personal, professional, and financial growth that leads to time and money freedom. And I have a very proven process that can help you get there. I also am living proof. Franchising has completely changed my life. I was a nutritional biochemist on my way to medical school when I answered a classified ad in the newspaper that was for a franchise company, and it completely changed the trajectory of my life. Who knew that when I found franchising, I found my way to true freedom. I have been self-employed since I was 25 years old, but the first 5 years I actually went the entrepreneurial route. And that's a whole nother level of freedom that has a lot more accountability to it that I don't really say is the best way for most people. Franchising wins all day long when we're talking about time and money freedom, because you're not out there, again, in the wilderness on your own. You're partnering with people who are going to be there to guide and support you, to provide the tools that you need to run an efficient and effective business, to come in as the CEO who can work on the business rather than in the business. And therefore, you can scale that business faster. And that's where wealth is created. So when you're really saying, I want to build time and money freedom, it requires a certain amount of money to have the time freedom, right? Well, one location of any kind of business usually isn't going to be enough to retire the average person. It's being able to leverage your time across multiple locations, right? So if you have to invest more time to open 2 stores or 5 stores or 10 stores, that's not the goal. And I'm not saying you won't initially, but the goal would be to go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 5 to 10. And as you're scaling, you have the money and the resources to be able to put the right people in place, and you have the systems and technology from the franchise that allows you to buy back your time. So eventually you own multiple units and you have all the time freedom you want, but that also comes with the money that you want. So if time freedom is the dream, I believe franchising is the fastest path to help you and anybody get there. I'm living proof. I've been helping thousands of people over the last 20 years. And if you feel inspired to find your definition of time and money freedom and you want to explore franchising, I would love to be your franchise consultant and your daily coach.